What she got there? Are you special? She's stressed but asking for her myself. She had to be difficult and ask for apple instead of her.
Chicago? Smelly onions. Go one for Chicago. Swing to the left. Look what I'm doing. I'm pointing. Right next.
We made it to Indiana Dunes National Park. Heading to the water to see.
I got my ice cream.
She got ice cream. It's so hot. It's like 100 degrees. So we're doing the least.
Nice and warm on the asphalt.
Yeah. Woo! Just crossing off the park, you know. Hey everyone, we're crossing a bridge. Gary, Indiana, we're here. We're going to a learning center to see if there's a stamp. Since I didn't get a passport, I have to put it on paper.
Right, you look so tan. God damn.
Also next to me, okay, artsy. Way to walk right in my video. Hey everyone.
I have to flick it.
Flick it.